Hello everyone, myself Sujai. So this session is about how to book your Azure certification exam for free in Microsoft website. Welcome to my channel Data Intelligence. So this channel is about everything about data. So the person who likes to switch the career to data science field or do some certification on the data science domain, this channel will be helpful. Keep support my channel. So let's get into the video now. So here uh, we can get a free Azure certification examination voucher for these three examinations. So these three certifications are the basic certifications from Azure, that is AZ 900 and AI 900 and DP 900. So this is Azure Fundamentals, Azure AI Fundamentals, and this is Azure Data Fundamentals. So if you book this examination in Microsoft website, you can get this examination for $99 US dollars if you book this examination. So that will be total of $300 approximately. So if you follow my suggestions, then you can book this examination for free. So the passing score for this examination is 700. And now I will show you how to get your free certification from Azure for these examinations. So first thing what you have to do is to attend the virtual training. So if you just Google the Microsoft Azure Virtual Training Day, then you can book your virtual training in the Azure. This is the example mail which I have received from the Microsoft for attending the Azure Virtual Training. So likewise, if you enroll yourself for the virtual training day, then finally if you attended at a complete attending the virtual training, then you will receive this mail. So thank you for attending the Azure Virtual Training Day, well architected framework from Microsoft Learn. So you will receive a mail like this. So once you received a mail, that this is a mail which will be confirming that you have attended the virtual training day, that it shows that you have the attendance for this virtual training day. So this is the main part of booking the free, getting a free voucher for this examination. So once your email is confirmed through the Microsoft Azure, then you can start booking your certification for free. So for this, you need to register with the same mail ID. So if you attend the virtual training day session with the one mail ID, you have to use the same mail ID for getting booking your certification exam also. So coming to this exam booking and discount, so this is Microsoft page which shows the exam DP 900 Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals booking page. So here it shows the price and everything. So here if you are a student, you can just move with schedule with certiport, or if you are any person, person working in an IT or any general person, then you can schedule with a peers and VUE. So coming to the exam registration process, so once you click on the schedule, so here in the payment you can choose your own country, so you can see the currency based on your country location. So next, if you just click on the schedule with Pearson, then you can see a window that is the exam registration process. Here you can see the exam name which you are going to apply. So if you want, you can change the exam name also. So as I mentioned before, you can use this free voucher for this three examination, that is for AI and AZ and DP 900. So just have a check whether you have choose the basic certification from Azure. So here you can see the congratulations, you are eligible for following the discounts. So click on apply discount to activate the discount. So if you click on these, because here it shows 100 percentage off, that is Microsoft training day attendance. So this attendance is more important. So I have shown you a mail which is confirming your attendance for the virtual training, right? So if you attend the training, then you can get this discount which is which will be reflected in your mail ID with the Microsoft Azure. Then you can just click on apply discount. And if you have login with some other mail ID, and if you want to check for the discount, there will be an option like you can give your email address which you have registered, so which will help you to get the account which you have registered with the virtual training, which will be linked with the current examination registration process. So this is the major part where how you can book your examinations for fee. So if you click on the apply discount, then you will be exempted from paying the examination fee. So next, once you have done with these discount applying and everything, so then the next step is to book your examination. So here they have three options. That is, you can take the examination as a test center or at your home or office or with a private access code. So mostly if you're uh, booking with the online one, so this will be the procedure I will be explaining. So first you will be booking through online. Click on this and then you have to choose the exam language, proctor language, and date and time. So here in this slide you can see like what are the needs for online examination. You should have a computer. Then here there will be an option called system test, so where you can test your computer whether you have a meet all the requirements and everything with the internet web connections and everything. And here is your testing space. So here testing space, you have to be in a room without any distraction. It should be a private place for when you are doing your examination, and you have to verify your government ID, that's any ID. So in the next slide, I will just show you what are the IDs you can use for this examination. And what you to expect is that they expect you to be before 30 minutes before the appointment time. So because you can check your systems or anything, so whatever maybe, if you just join them before 30 minutes, you will have some videos about how you can proceed with the examinations and everything. And here you can choose your preferred language of exam. So if it's English, you can choose English. And next, this is before exam day. So before exam day, what you have to do is you have to test your systems. As I mentioned before, you have to test your systems, internet connections, and everything. And you next is your ID checking. Okay, so it can be your passport or driving license or any local national identification, or it can be a permanent residence or any visa can be acceptable forms of ID included. So, and here you can see the unacceptable form. So once you go through it, it will give you a clear idea. So this ID should be showed when before your examination starts to the proctor. So on the exam day, what you have to do is you have to log into your account 30 minutes early to start the check-in process. So 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 then if you are more than 15 minutes late of your scheduled exam time, then you are unable to begin your trends and you won't get any refund. So anyway, we are going to book it free, but don't waste it. So try to be on time to get your examination done. So then you have to check your systems and everything, like the appointment time and everything. So the exam rules while during testing is this: you may not access unauthorized like a mobile device or watch or anything is not allowed, and no one else should appear through the webcam. So if you're taking the online exam, no one should appear during the examination, and they should not hear anyone's voice also. So no speaking allowed during examination. So these are the general rules which they will follow for the online examination. So this is the reschedule of the online examination. So in this reschedule, if you need to reschedule your appointment, be sure to do it later than 24 hours prior to your scheduled exam. If you do not reschedule your appointment before, that is prior 24 hours, you won't get any refund or exam feedback. And if you need to cancel your appointment, then which is later than 24 hours, then if you do not cancel your appointment 24 hours prior to your scheduled exam, then again, so it's better, like, if you want to reschedule, just do it before 24 hours, prior to 24 hours, so it will be really good. So if you need some more time for the preparation, or if you have any unfortunate situation or anything, then what you can do is like you can reschedule it, and because the rescheduling is free, so if you are doing it before 24 hours, you won't lose the money or time and everything. So better just keep an eye on that your examination date and be sure that whether you need any rescheduling of your exam or not. So next, you have to select your online proctor speak language. So the online proctor is who is supervising the online Azure certification examination. So mostly will be preferring the English language. And in the next page, you can see the price is 48 GBP on the languages, English and everything. But I will just show you. So it will show the payment for you. But once you start booking, then it will shows in the invoice, it will shows a value of 0. So and in the next step, if you schedule, you have to choose the time zone. If you want to change the time zone, then you can give the give the icon as no change time zone, and if it's right, then just click on this icon, that's it. And if you want to select your date, then you can just move it and select your date and time. So if you just select your date and the time zone, then you have to choose the start time. So it will be showing like many time slots. So here you can see there are 9 times available between 12 to 5 a.m. and 2 times between 5:15 to 9, and from 9:15 to 1 p.m. there is no times available. So like that you can just go through the time whichever suits for you, then you have to start it. So your appointment length is 65 minutes, so your online testing check-in time will be 30 minutes prior to the selected appointment time. Okay, so this is the way like how we book our examination. So next, as I mentioned before, this is an invoice which you will be getting after booking your examination successfully. So it will just show you the examination name, uh, name and everything, and the pricing, and this is the VAT, it's a tax, everything. So here you can see the Microsoft training day. So here they will reduce the same price for the examinations and even the tax, the GB VAT, everything. And then finally they will give you 0 GBP or the currency which you have booked the examination. So this will be the invoice which you will be getting from Pearson through in your mail. So once you booked your examination time and everything, all the process, once all the process have been done. So next, then you will be getting a confirmation mail for your Azure examination through mail. So here you can see the appointment details and order number, the candidate details, and your date and time, and the appointment length. That is the total duration of your examinations. So this is a general confirmation mail from your Azure. And here in this video, I just want, it comes under the preparation of this DP 900 examination. So not only for DP 900, it's also for all the basics examination. So here if you see the type of questions which is not valid for the fundamental exam. So here you won't get any questions on case studies or mark review or labs. So these three formats won't be available in the basic set fundamental examinations. So case studies is means that in this scenario, if you, it will provide you some case study scenario, then you have to answer it. And mark review is like you can review the questions for some time and then you can change the answers. That's not valid with the fundamental exams. And you don't have any lab session. That's lab means of more of practical. So sometimes they expect you to do some activities or exercise in the Azure platform itself. So that kind of labs or practical session won't be there in the fundamental exams. So this is the way you will you can just prepare for these questions. So I hope it's clear, like everyone have an idea so how to book your examinations for free. So if you have any doubts, just text me in comment. You can give me a comment and everything, so I will just help you if you have any difficulties in doing this. And you just google about the virtual training day, which will be very helpful for you to book the free voucher for booking this basic Azure certification exam. And this question format will give you just give you an idea like how you can prepare for this examination. So in my next session, I will just explain you how the exam guide for the Azure DP 900 preparation. So in the next video, I will explain everything, but like a syllabus, like what are the topics you have to cover, and what are the topics we need to do the preparation for the examinations, and how you can prepare it very soon for free, like you don't want to pay anything, and how you have to handle the real time questions and everything. So we'll be discussing about this in the next video. So keep supporting data intelligence. Do subscribe to get more details about preparation of Azure certification examination and all about the data domain. Thanks for watching my video. So do subscribe. Thank you so much. Like and comment, subscribe my channel. Bye.